this farmers protest, sorry to say, becoming the part of the same propaganda which were used to when the CA happened. You becoming the part of the same trap. You supported the CA movement, you supported the Shaheen Bagh, and what was the end result? Were Delhi riots, which killed more than 50 people. Yes, these farm protests are going to the same direction because the narratives are same, the modus operandi are same, the people are same Yogendra Yadav, same Mohan, same Megha Patkar, and same the Shaheen Baghdadi. I just saw the video where Shaheen Baghdadi is already sitting in the car and she's going to support farmers. I mean, it's all same. It's same Bhim Army and Chandrasekhar Azad. It's absolutely same. It's same insanity. It's same recklessness. Same anarchist people who want to create anarchy in our capital, who want to create unrest in our capital. They're blocking the sites of four sides of Delhi to enter from any states. You know what's the significance of that? Don't support this propaganda. Don't support this anarchy. If you support these protests, you actually are doing supporting this anti-farmers protest, because these legislation, these acts are most in the benefit of farmers, because these are actually a moment like we had in 1991 when India opened the economy. We, by this legislation, opening the new opportunities to our farmers by giving them a choice, by giving them a poor farmers a choice to whether they want to sell their crops to mandis, or whether they want to sell to any private player. Right now, if you are a farmer of UP, you just can sell your products in UP. If you want, you can't sell your products in suppose in Madhya Pradesh, because that's how law restricts you. These farm acts actually remove those restrictions. I'm not expert, but I'm really saying to read experts like Ashok Gulati in his articles in the Indian Express. Listen to these learned people, and just try to know how beneficiaries these laws are for our farmers. You can read the Indian Express report, which says how these farm laws already benefiting the farmers in Maharashtra, and this will support the farmers which are against of this are actually all the middlemen who benefit by this. Farmer protests are actually anti-farmers, because it goes against the interest of poor and marginalized farmers who will get lots of benefits by these new reforms. So these people who still now used to feed on the decayed and old corrupt system are now protesting today, because they fear that their dukans, their shops will close down, where they used to exploit these poor and marginalized farmers. So understand the politics and the game behind it. So please do not support these protests. These protests absolutely want to create anarchy in Delhi again. Raise your voice against these total anti-farmers protests, I must say, and support these new reforms, which is very crucial to our farmers and their for future and for their future. Thank you so much.